Hi guys, welcome to VFix Technology. I hope everybody is doing well. Well, today I brought a little situation which I just fixed for a client. So client was asking that he wanted to show a different price for US clients. I mean, technically this is a core selling website. It's not an e-commerce project, though client wanted if somebody opens from USA, it should show in dollar, and if somebody opens from India it should show in rupees. So technically the requirement was like if anybody opens from India should show rupees, and other than India should show in dollar price. So I'm going to explain how we overcome this situation. So in Laravel we have a package called Torann Laravel GeoIP. I did use this piece of code. Technically we end up installing this package. Now this package is a great deal. Technically from this package behind the scene it uses an API, and through API it fetches the IP and get the location on the real time. Let's explore the code and find out what did I do. First I installed it, added to providers and everything, you know what I mean? If you do the Laravel, you already knew. Once the package gets installed, so we can use it something like this. Here we have the controller. So what I did, because we were using the price in the multiple controller, in the multiple methods, so I have a single file, technically a class for all the front end pages called front controller. I pass this code into my construct method. So all these methods could have the same variable available. If you see that we had created a variable and GeoIP, this method comes from that package, and get location. It fetches the country, right? And created a variable country, location, country. See that? However, you could pass an IP address here directly as well. Just if you wanted to test locally, this is how it would work. Now, if I, let me see. Okay. Now, if I refresh the page, let's see what happens. As of now, it has a dollar price because I'm on the local server. Definitely, it would not have the real IP. So if you go to for testing purpose, if you go to config and GeoIP, that's the settings configuration, you can call that, and come to the bottom part. If you see that IP is 127, this is how it fetches the local IP. So it says United States default, right? Let me change it to India. Let's see what difference it makes. Now it's gonna take the IP as an Indian IP. Let me refresh the page. This dollar is supposed to be changed into rupees, and you see the difference. It talks our language. Now, if you see the blade, it was a little tweak. If I go to that specific blade, let me show you how it works behind the scenes. All I said if country, because country is a variable which I took here and shared it through all the methods. So this country variable is available everywhere, and I grabbed that country from this GeoIP and location country, right? So the technically the country would have the country name, and if we have the country name, we could pass something like this. If country equal to India, show this, else show that. Make sense? So guys, it was a kind of job which we supposed to get some with the solution. Now client wanted only India and other than India, right? Otherwise, I might have to come up with a different idea. So this is a working code. Hope you did learn something today. For more videos like this, stick to my channel, subscribe, and make sure allow the notification. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.